The trajectory of a projectile near the surface of the earth is given as y is equal to 2x minus 9x square if it were launched at an angle theta 0. We've been asked to find out the values of theta 0 and v0. So we've been given the equation y is equal to 2x minus 9x square. When we compare this with the standard equation of projectile, what we get is y is equal to x tan theta minus 5 by ux square into x square. So if you compare the coefficients of x, what is remaining? 2 and tan theta. So we can write that tan theta is equal to 2. If you compare the coefficient of x square and x, what do you get? 9 is equal to 5 by ux square. I'll write tan theta as u sin theta by u cos theta is equal to 2. And here I'll write ux is equal to, or ux square is equal to 5 by 9. So this is u square cos square theta is equal to 5 by 9. In which case, from this equation, I'll write u sin theta is equal to 2 into u cos theta. Now squaring on both sides, what do I get? What I get is u square sin square theta is equal to 4 into u square cos square theta. Now what is u square cos square theta? It is 5 by 9. So what we get is u square sin square theta is equal to 5 into 4 is 20 by 9. Now since u square sin square theta is 20 by 9, and since u square cos square theta is 5 by 9, when you add these two, what you get? U square into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. U square is equal to 25 by 9, and therefore u is equal to 5 by 3. And if u is equal to 5 by 3, let us find out theta. So you just substitute any equation. So u square is now 25 by 9. So 25 by 9 into cos square theta is equal to 5 by 9. 9 by 9 is 1. So we get cos square theta is equal to 1 by 5, and therefore theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 5, root of 1 by 5, which means the correct option is option C. Right. So that's the question. Now let us have a detailed look. How did we? Well, I think there's nothing much to be explained here because it's a numerical, a direct comparison of the values. Anyhow, let us write for at least for some students who want this in a very detailed fashion. So we know that the equation of trajectory of a projectile motion, is given by y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2 into u square cos square theta, right? So I'll make a slight variation here. I'll write it as y is equal to x tan theta minus g is 10, so 10 by 2 is 5, so I'll write it as 5 into x square upon u square cos square theta. See, when an object is projected with velocity u, we know that the horizontal component is at an angle theta. The horizontal component is u cos theta, and the vertical component is u sin theta. So here I can write, instead of u cos theta, I can write this as ux. So this becomes by ux the whole square. Now what do? I compare this equation with the given equation, which is y is equal to 2x minus 9x square. Now let us have a look at the variables. See, we have here x and x, which definitely means the coefficient should be equal. Therefore, we can say that tan theta is actually equal to 2. If we compare x square and x square here, what is left? What is left is minus 5 by ux square is equal to minus 9, right? Or in other words, 5 by 9 is equal to ux square. And Yeah, I think that would suffice the rest of the explanation, because rest is almost the same, just mathematical calculations, which remains same anyhow. All right, so having said so, let's move on to the next question.